Truck with an O, not a U, so it's an interesting name there, where craftsmanship meets wilderness. All right, let's see what this one's all about. We have another fixed blade. All right. Now we're gonna check this Trivisa knife next, so don't go anywhere. But let's see what this fixed blade here is all about, shall we? We got the sheath. We'll come back to in a second, and here is the knife. Let's go ahead and remove this plastic. And oh my goodness, okay, Trock Knives, another company that came out of nowhere and has just been making a splash here with their budget offerings. We checked out, I want to say, a few folders recently from them, and now we're checking out this bad boy here. Holy smokes. First impressions, I mean, it's got some weight to it, right? Full tank construction on this one here. We have 2 T8 hardware on both sides, linear solution in the back. Beautiful G10, right? Because it's got the contouring that makes it look like it has different layers between that black and sort of white, off-white, if you would. And then, yeah, just looking pretty good. Definitely great ergos. Fits the hand really nicely. Full 4-finger grip. No jimping for some reason. So Trock Knives, if you're watching this, right, that would be about my only nitpick right there, right? A little bit of jimping would have been nice. We do have a tall flat grind going on. Pretty decently thick blade. So kind of lets you know it's going to be pretty robust for more hardcore use, if you would. And I don't have the steel on this one, so future me put it on the screen, right? Just for reference, what steel are we working with? And the only thing you'll notice here is the plunge grind situation. It's not the most ideal. So at some point, if you know, as you sharpen this knife more and more, you will be developing a smile. But I mean, this one should be pretty affordable anyway. So that's just, again, something to keep in mind. I mean, the ergos, it got me sold in the ergos because they feel really nice with this curvature back here. Able to get a full purchase, and we are ready to get some work done. We have that similar clip on this one, right? Spring-loaded button, 3x3, and you can, yeah, it looks like you can turn this one around 90 degrees as well for horizontal versus vertical carry. Going into the sheath also, nice, good experience, minimal rattle if anything, but good tension there, going in and out. And we have a drain hole here towards the front. Other than that, I mean, pretty good sheath solution for what should be a pretty affordable knife. Again, all these are linked down below.